What if the way you hold your steering wheel says everything about you? We're not talking about driving skills or how fast you go, but about your personality, your mindset, even how you handle stress or deal with people. Turns out your hands on the wheel are telling a story, and you probably don't even realize it. Let's break it down. If you're a 10 and 2 type of driver, the classic textbook style, you're likely to be rule-following, responsible, and organized. You like structure, and you probably get annoyed when people don't follow it. But what if you're a one-hand-at-the-top kind of driver that usually signals confidence, independence, and sometimes a bit of a laid-back dominance? You're calm, but you're not afraid to take charge when it matters. Now here's a fun one, hands at 8 and 4. This is the relaxed position. You're steady, probably pretty patient, and more go with the flow than most people. And if you drive with just one hand at the bottom of the wheel, yeah, you're the cool one. You don't take life too seriously, but maybe you should every now and then. Before we go further, here's your stop sign, but in a good way. If you're enjoying this kind of content, simple things that say so much about who we are, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We bring you surprising insights, personality breakdowns, and discoveries you didn't know you needed every week. Back to the wheel. There's even a personality tied to people who grip the wheel tightly with both hands. You're probably anxious, high alert, always planning for the worst. And honestly, probably the best driver in your group. Meanwhile, the folks who drive with just one hand while the other's doing something else, you're confident, but maybe a bit impulsive. Multitaskers, risk takers, sometimes rule breakers. And the two-finger driver? Hand at the bottom, fingers barely touching. You're chill, extremely low-key, and probably great at hiding stress. Or, just ignoring it completely. So next time you get in your car, pay attention, not just to the road, but to your hands. They might just be telling you more than your horoscope ever could. The full article is in the first comment. Check it out and tell us, how do you hold your wheel?